When you create a template in Reminders, you can save time making a list for things you do regularly. Here's how. With the list open in Reminders, tap the More button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Save as Template. Then, type a name for your template and choose if you'd like to include completed reminders. When you're finished, tap Save. To use a template you saved, in Reminders, tap Add List. Tap Templates. Tap a template in the list. Then rename the list if you'd like. Now, tap Create to start your list. A list for every occasion.